going on, y'all? Okay, so I just want to make a quick video on this. Check out this sound on this car I just built. So this is a what the fuck? My controller always does it. I think a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. This is a Hemi. Yeah. So just want to show you the sound. Look at those flamethrowers on the back of it, though. Shit. That sound. Okay, did you guys see how fast that thing was going? That thing was going like 220. Or around that area of numbers. This is just an S2. The highest you can get. At least on this car. You can get to an X class, which goes up to 7 gears. This only goes up to 6 gears. S1 obviously goes to 5 gears. I think it's A and below, it's 4 gears. That's right at the beginning of the flames. Now at the end, they're probably out right there. So I mean, yeah, this is a